this evening we're going to be working with some more hair candy. We've got Nicole here that I've straightened her hair out with some irons for a spiky result. I've got no product on this yet, but I'm going to apply some soup dust. Just gently lifting it high, just dropping onto the hair, just to build up that texture so the hair should be really spiky. Okay, so I'm just working through with the dust, and I'm just going to create a little bit of lift for an off-the-face look. I just want to get this with a little bit of height, a little bit of separation, and a good shape. I'm actually going to use some candy curls just gently for just a little bit of slick back, just through the sides to create a little bit more definition and shape. Alright, well, I want to work with some hair candy neon green. I think that this hairstyle, this colouring suits that cooler tone. So what I'm going to do is just take small sections of the hair, just gradually build in this green. So I get quite a nice strong green effect going through that hair. I'm just going to take the candy in my hand and just gently with my thumb grabbing that hair and pulling it through for a strong, funky result. I'm going to try and work through and actually maintain the application of the colour to complement the hairstyle without being too precious about it and keeping it fun. I'm just going to keep working through. So that's some neon green. I'm also going to be working with some purple here, some purple passion. Just continue to take that colour and let the colours blend in together. So the purple and the green make a blend of colours. So it's like a short version of a colour blend. Continually working through. Hair like this, which has got a lot of permanent colour on, sometimes it's fun to change the colour, but if you actually wanted to do with permanent colour, you'd be talking about bleaching the hair. And this is a fantastic way to apply the colour without having to apply any actual chemical to the hair. Continue to work through. You can afford to apply this purple fairly thickly. I'm just going to work with some of the ultra blue just through the ends. I think on the darker heads, the ultra blue and the green are the brightest colours. Loving that blue right around the hairline, just using it like makeup. Just make sure that my client is well covered up. So I'm using the powder in this product to also style the hair, because the powder in the product also gives that hair a nice texture. And that blue gives it a real sort of cool texture. So I've already styled the hair to a certain extent. I'm styling it more with the powder. And as I work through building up my different colours, just to make a wicked blend of colour. Again, adding a little bit of hot pink to the firework effect. As I do it, I'm just going to keep working through with my fluos, just to set that colour in, create the separation